Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to use Shopify Magic and Shopify Sidekick. These are powerful tools that can help you streamline your e-commerce operations, making it easier to manage your online store and boost your sales. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about Shopify Magic. Shopify Magic is an AI-powered feature designed to help you create high-quality product descriptions, ads, and other marketing content quickly and efficiently. It uses natural language processing to generate content that is not only relevant but also engaging for your customers. When you're adding a new product or editing an existing one, you'll see an option to generate content next to the description field. Click on this button and Shopify Magic will analyze your product and generate a description for you. You can tweak the generated content to fit your brand's voice, or even regenerate it if you're not satisfied with the first result. Shopify Magic can also be used to create marketing content like ad copy and social media posts. In the marketing section of your Shopify dashboard, you'll find a content generator tool. Here, you can input details about your campaign, and Shopify Magic will generate text that you can use across your marketing channels. This feature saves time and helps ensure that your messaging is consistent and on brand. Now let's move on to Shopify Sidekick. Shopify Sidekick is an AI-powered assistant that helps you navigate the Shopify platform, troubleshoot issues, and get the most out of Shopify's features. Think of it as your personal e-commerce guide, available 24/7. To access Shopify Sidekick, simply click on the Help button in the Shopify dashboard. You'll see an option to chat with Sidekick. This tool can answer questions, provide step-by-step guides, and even perform certain tasks for you, like setting up discount codes or configuring shipping options. It's particularly useful for new store owners or those who want to maximize efficiency without digging through help articles or forums. One of the standout features of Shopify Sidekick is its ability to provide personalized recommendations. For example, if you're struggling with abandoned carts, Sidekick might suggest specific apps or strategies to help recover those sales. Or, if you're looking to expand into new markets, Sidekick can guide you through setting up international shipping and localized marketing campaigns. Another great use of Shopify Sidekick is optimizing your store's performance. It can analyze your store's data and provide insights into what's working and what needs improvement. Whether it's tweaking your SEO, improving page load times, or enhancing customer experience, Sidekick is there to help you make data-driven decisions. To sum it up, Shopify Magic and Shopify Sidekick are powerful tools that can help you create content, manage your store, and optimize your business processes with ease. By leveraging these AI-driven features, you can save time, reduce the learning curve, and focus on growing your e-commerce business. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorials for more tips on how to succeed in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!